Local colleges.
Hamilton College is bringing some of its students studying abroad home. They were in Italy. News Channel 2's Callahan Marshall live in Clinton with the details. Callahan, good evening.
Jason and Kristen, 13 students got the news over the weekend that they would have to come home from their study abroad program. So earlier this morning, the school had a meeting to discuss the next steps for those students and also how they can prevent the virus from making its way to campus.
Hamilton College has 200 students studying abroad in multiple countries right now. So far this year, 19 students were required to come home from their study abroad programs because of the coronavirus. 13 in Italy and 6 in China.
They're disappointed. They're disappointed, but I think they recognize that we're making the right decisions based on their health and safety.
DeBragio says they've been following the guidelines for the Centers for Disease Control and the Department of Health.
Students returning from Italy have been told at this point we don't know that they're going to be able to come back to campus. Part of the reason is the semester is approaching the halfway point. And so for those students, we don't necessarily have the housing for them. And in terms of coursework, how do we fit them in when the course is already halfway over?
As far as the students on campus,
this is a bad flu season, and many of the same symptoms and many of the same precautions for the coronavirus are the same as the flu. And so we have instituted an enhanced disinfectant protocol for all of our facilities.
Now, I do want to make note that this college is just being very, very cautious right now as far as the coronavirus is concerned. Now, there is no exact date for when those students from Italy will be coming home, but they are working on that as we speak. And I did reach out to Utica College today, who says they do have 2 students in Florence, Italy, who they are requiring to come home. For now, I'll toss it back to you, Jason and Kristen.
Callahan Marshall live in Clinton. Thank you.
Now the market's bouncing back here on a Monday.